A major organization in Youngstown is dissolving by the end of the year. It's a group which had grown quickly and found simple ways to help around town, but found some challenges once the pandemic started. Youngstown Promise Neighborhoods made a big impact, oftentimes in small ways around the city, such as this little library and community blessing box. But after 5 years, the organization had to dissolve when funding became a major issue.
So it just became very challenging, very hard decision.
April Alexander is the board of directors president of the Youngstown Promise Neighborhoods, which noticed a shift after COVID-19 started. It was able to keep up and provide programming, even distributing supplies when the pandemic started. But it needed the big dollars to keep the project going.
So it was easier to find dollars for small projects than it was to find operating expenses.
Human capital has been plentiful since the organization started in 2015 as Taft Promise Neighborhood. It was a domestic version of the Peace Corps, fighting to break the cycle of inequities often afflicting multiple generations of families. Youngstown Promise Neighborhoods had partnered with 50 organizations across the city.
And that's how we've been able to provide all of the food baskets and wellness projects and sustain the councils that have really done the work.
Youngstown Promise Neighborhoods was famous for working with the land bank to build green spaces, with community legal aid to provide legal assistance, and had done numerous food distributions. Its partners will have to continue those programs.
Our city has been blessed to be able to have so many organizations partner together to meet the needs of children and families in our city, and that will continue.
And the lasting impact of Youngstown Promise Neighborhoods will be measured by those programs moving forward to help neighborhood safety, health and wellness, plus education throughout the city.